Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank. I've been using Bask Bank for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it. I'm going to be talking about my experience with Bask Bank, and I'll also be answering the question, does Bask Bank offer checking? What is Bask Bank? Bask Bank is a digital bank that was founded in 2018. It offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Bask Bank is available in all 50 states. My experience with Bask Bank. I've been using Bask Bank for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it. I've found that Bask Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. Here are a few of the things that I like about Bask Bank. No monthly fees. Bask Bank doesn't charge any monthly fees for its checking or savings accounts. Low minimum balance requirements. Bask Bank doesn't have any minimum balance requirements for its checking or savings accounts. High interest rates. Bask Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on the market for its savings accounts. Great customer service. Bask Bank has a great customer service team that is always available to help. Does Bask Bank offer checking? Yes, Bask Bank offers checking accounts. There are two types of checking accounts available, the basic checking account and the premium checking account. The basic checking account has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. It also comes with a free debit card. The premium checking account has no monthly fees and a minimum balance requirement of $5,000. It also comes with a free debit card and a free overdraft protection service. Which checking account is right for you? The best checking account for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a simple and affordable checking account, the basic checking account is a good option. If you're looking for a checking account with more features and benefits, the premium checking account is a good option. Other things to consider. In addition to checking accounts, Bask Bank also offers a variety of other financial products and services, including savings accounts, credit cards, loans, investment services. Bask Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. I've been using Bask Bank for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it. I highly recommend checking out Bask Bank if you're looking for a new bank. If you're interested in learning more about Bask Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or check out their social media channels. You can also sign up for a free Bask Bank account today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.